Hey guys, it's me, just doing a video for you guys here today. So as you saw in the thumbnail, we got two little things. One is like some sort of candy. Because I don't read Japanese, I have no real clue what it is, but oh, that's kind of cute. It unfolds and you put the candies inside. It like goes together somehow. I'm not going to do it because it seems long and complicated for the video. So that's the casing. And here are the candies. Little balls. Little colored ball. Oops, hold on. One already fell. No, I don't like that. I'm surprised, but I don't. Cute packaging, but not so good taste. And this next one is something that looks like something I tasted in a previous video, or in another video, where it's like noodles. Yeah, it tastes, it smells the same, looks the same, and tastes relatively the same. But all these Asian snacks, I mean, in reality, would I buy them again? Probably not, because it's a lot of work to even get them here in Canada. So anyways, guys, thanks for coming to watch. It's a shorter video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and comment your favorite candy or snack from Japan. Anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.